Hey, if you are looking for the ClickFunnels One Funnel Away Challenge presentation, then you are in luck because I'm just about to play it almost any second now. But the most important thing is Russell is hyper engaging with it. So if you like that and you get excited by it, then make sure you drop a like on this video. Afterwards, I'm going to show you exactly what goes through with the One Funnel Away Challenge, because I've been through the challenge a couple of times myself, and I'm going to share with you what my funnel looks like. So make sure you stick to the end of this video and you can see exactly what you can achieve by going through the One Funnel Away Challenge. Hey, what's going on? It is Paul Motley here and welcome to this presentation for the One Funnel Away Challenge. It's going to be starting in just 1 minute, but I wanted to let you know that you can also see inside the One Funnel Away Challenge. I'm going to share with you later on in the video exactly what you're going to get, how it all works, but the most important thing is, does it work? And I'm going to share with you my stats from my own personal funnel that I built when I went through the One Funnel Away Challenge myself. So make sure you stick around to the entire video so you can see not only what you're going to get if you decide to get the One Funnel Away Challenge, but also as well, you can have the opportunity to download my own funnel where I'm going to show you the stats on how much I earned by using this funnel as well, and that's going to come later on the video. But for now, let's run VT. Let's see Russell in action. It's hyper engaging. If you're enjoying it so far, hit a like on this video and I will see you right after the presentation.
What does One Funnel Away mean? Like, what is the whole concept behind that? For everybody, it's different. For some of you guys, you're in a job you hate and you're trying to get out of that, right? For some of you guys, you are entrepreneurs and you got a business and maybe it's stuck and it's not where you want it to be yet. And some of you guys, it's one funnel that helps you get the bigger impact. My goal of this challenge is to help you guys to design and architect and understand what that funnel is and how it's going to work for you specifically. Belief is the most important part involved in all of this. I need you to believe this will work for you. For some reason, people think because it's a funnel, it's like this magic nerdy thing. It's like, no, it's people are people. This is just a process we're taking somebody through. Funnel is like having the best salesperson on earth take somebody through the process and finding exactly what they need. The difference between what happens here in the store and what happens here is I don't have to have a salesperson. The funnel does the selling for you. That's what you're trying to create for them. And if you do that, it increases the happiness of your customer. It'll increase how much money you make with every transaction, which makes it a better experience for you as well. That's what a funnel is. That's the big secret. The way this challenge is going to work, each day there's going to be new videos unlocked. Each one's going to be a mission. After that mission's finished, there's going to be some kind of task for you to do, and I need you to do it. Today's mission, we're going to start getting into your offer sequencing. We're going to be talking about offer hacking, the power of e-covers, publishing, story, squeeze page, sales page, order form, OTO page, how to fill your funnel, build out your dream 100 traffic paid side of ads. This is like the #1 rule of direct response marketing. A confused mind always says no. The average attention span of a human being today, guess how long it is? 7 seconds. And so because of that, your website is literally blocking people from giving you money. Hook, story, offer, going grabbing someone and getting their attention. Increase the offer, you make it better, people give you money, people give you the email address, people click on your ads. That's the magic.
All right, so after watching that, who is pumped to get their 2 Comma Club award? I think, yeah, I'm going to raise my hand right now. I am pumped about that. But we need to focus, right? So we need to think, how can we achieve that? And what I did was I've actually gone through the One Funnel Away Challenge a couple of times now. In fact, 3 times, right? And when I did it, right, the first time I went through it, it was kind of like I didn't have the time, I wasn't focused, and nothing really worked out for me. But the next time I went through it, I was really focused, and that was when things started making a difference. Ultimately, it was on the 3rd time where I really saw success. Okay, right, so I'm going to share with you and I'm going to be 100% transparent. First off, I'm going to show you what's inside of the membership area once you get inside the One Funnel Away Challenge, but then I'm going to share with you my own funnel as well. So if you stick around, there is actually a link in the comments of this video, right? So in the description, in fact, of this video, I'm going to share with you my own funnel, but I want to share with you the results that I got from it first. So here we are inside of the One Funnel Away challenge, right? So this shows you exactly what you're going to get when you get inside, right? And there is a link. I will say that it's an affiliate link. I do get paid a commission. That's the whole point of this whole thing. But you do actually get inside of this. So what I wanted to show you first of all was something super important, right? See down here. Let's just check this out, right? Is here this bonus 30 days summit interviews, right? This is actually the 30 days ebook, right? Now you can actually get access to this ebook. Now I personally paid over $100 to get the hard copy of this book, and you can get it free just by getting access. I'm going to show you the book. It's right here. This is the book, right? Now I paid, like I said, over $100 to get access to this book itself, and you can get this free as part of the One Funnel Away challenge. So you're already a winner straight away. It's stacked full of ideas. If you don't know what you're doing as far as like how to actually get a business online or what you want to be doing, there is a ton of ideas right there from various other entrepreneurs on how you can actually start a business, and showing you how you can get it from day 1 all the way day to 30 and actually start making some serious cash. So that's super cool, right? So I just wanted to put that right out there. But the actual whole thing with the 30 days with the One Funnel Away challenge, it goes through everything, literally everything. And I think it's really cool because it is not just one of those courses where you're going to go through and you're not really going to know what you're doing. And in fact, when I went through this, I wasn't really at a crossroads, if you like, but I really wanted to make it successful. I wanted to see some positive return on investment, okay? Because if you decide to go through the challenge, it does cost you $100. And again, there is a link in the description to get access to that. But I've made it sweet. I have actually added some extra bonuses there because I thought it was important, because I thought if people are going to want to do it and they're going to want to put their money in there, I am going to show them exactly how they can be successful through this as well. So let's start with the really basic stuff. So we've got you must believe. Most of this stuff is in your head, right? If you know how to use ClickFunnels and use the software, then most of it is in your head already. So you already know this stuff, right? So there's a whole bunch of stuff about the core funnel strategy, about the OTO page, about the Dream 100, all that good stuff, right? So let's move on, because there is so much stuff in here. It's unbelievable exactly how you can actually get this thing off the ground. But I'm not just showing you the theory, I'm showing you some results. So let me show you the results that I got from my funnel that I built with the One Funnel Away challenge. Now, I personally made over $1,300 from this single funnel itself. So that is just to show you exactly what I was getting from it. I wasn't using paid ads or anything else like that. I literally had this on my Facebook profile for a short time. And the only reason why it was a short time is because I was working on another project at the same time. But I wanted to give the One Funnel Away challenge as much exposure as possible. So it just kind of shows you exactly what you could achieve. And I believe that if I'd have run paid ads to this funnel as well, I would have hit that 2 comma record, that 2 comma club award without a doubt. But unfortunately, I got dragged away with something else. But it just shows you that the results are there. So for your $100 investment to get the One Funnel Away challenge, the results can happen for you. Now, I did promise to show you exactly what I did, what my funnel looked like. So let's just scroll through it right now. So I started off with a $7 product, and you can see it here. This is the entire funnel right now. So this is the first page. So you can see all this.
It's right there. I'm not hiding anything at all. There's some bonuses that people get when they actually purchased it, and that's kind of like how I put it together. And as I said before, if you want this funnel, there is a link below so you can actually download it directly to your ClickFunnels account. If you don't have a ClickFunnels account yet, then if you try to download it, it's going to access a 14-day free trial where you can use this funnel and then put your own project on the top of it. But as you can see, it's actually part of the One Funnel Away challenge. So I started out with a $7 product, and then I immediately bumped it up to a $67 product as part of what we call an OTO, which is a one-time offer. So there is a whole ton of money that you can make by building these funnels within the One Funnel Away challenge. And that's the whole point of it. So if you go through the challenge itself, it's going to show you exactly on how to put all this together. And this is one of the things that's super cool about it. So as I said before, there are bonuses. If you decide to go through it, it costs $100, but at the end of the day, you're going to wait. You should be making way more than that if you commit to the One Funnel Away challenge. But I'm not going to bore you with any more details on it, but literally get in and get started with it, because your biggest enemy is procrastination, and I don't want you to get stuck on the details. So by all means, go ahead, click that link inside the video, and I will make sure that I deliver those videos to you as far as your bonuses is concerned, but also as well, I'm really excited to see what you can achieve with this One Funnel Away challenge.